We've made a new box for our trash patrol drone. Also, Tanabadi and Memo was working on connecting Pixhawk with remote controller. We also optimized our drone case a little bit. Some sewing and having fun with instruments. And it was also great to meet our new member, Ark, who is doing probably the best cosplay props in Phuket. Our main goal to make a new water test in 2 meetings. So the next meeting we will solve problems that we encountered today with Pixhawk. We calibrated the compass, but for some reason we always got unhealthy GPS message. An error message that the connection with satellites was great, and we had connections with 16 satellites. So the problem is probably with something else, and we have a goal to solve it. The good thing is that we already see the GPS coordinates on the map of our drone. So the next meeting we will work on optimizing the trash box and maybe adding some funnel pieces to make the trash come inside the box, and also think and design it how we can actually put the box out and inside the drone easily. But the main focus will remain on electronic parts and making it work. I also thinking that we will spend some time to decorate this prototype. So see you next Wednesday at 7 p.m. in Pirate Bay.